Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can turn off the Samsung Galaxy S21. By the way, this works also for the S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. So, many of you realized it already, if you're long pressing here the power button, you turn off the phone, so you wake up Bixby with. If you want to have it, if you want to turn off the phone, you need the power button and next to the volume down button. So press these both buttons together and hold it until you see that menu here, the power off menu. Then go here on power off and confirm again on power off. Okay, there's a second way to turn off the phone. So for that, just scroll down here, then scroll down a second time, and then here on the second position, we will have also here the power off symbol. So just go here on power off and then confirm again with power off and so on. But you can also set up this side key here as a real power button. So let me show you how you can do that. So just scroll down here, then go here to the symbol for the settings. So then scroll down to the point, advanced features. And here we will have the point side key. So, and here on this position, you can change what you would do if you press and hold the power button. So in our case now it's wake up Bixby, it's the default settings, but we want to power off the phone. So let's take the power off menu then. So and now if we long press the power button alone, then we will have again our power menu as we want to have it. Okay, confirm, and then you turn off the phone. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or me, just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.